Energy-efficient windows are one of the best investments Dallas homeowners can make. With scorching summers, occasional winter freezes, and year-round sun exposure, the right windows help keep your home comfortable while lowering energy bills. But like any home upgrade, energy-efficient windows need proper care to perform at their best for decades. Fortunately, maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple habits and seasonal checks, you can extend the lifespan of your windows, protect your investment, and keep your Dallas home more comfortable all year long. Here are the most effective, homeowner-friendly maintenance tips to ensure your energy-efficient windows continue working beautifully for years to come. Clean glass regularly for better performance and visibility. Dallas's dust, pollen, and occasional storms can leave window glass dirty, reducing natural light and diminishing the insulating efficiency of low-E coatings. To keep your windows looking and performing their best, use a soft cloth or microfiber towel. Choose a gentle, ammonia-free cleaner or vinegar and water solution. Avoid abrasive brushes or harsh chemicals that can scratch protective coatings. Clean the interior and exterior glass at least every 2 to 3 months. Maintaining clean glass not only enhances visual clarity but also helps your low-E coatings reflect heat as designed. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping is essential for keeping Dallas heat out and cool air in. Over time, it can wear down due to UV exposure, temperature swings, and frequent window use. What to check each season? Cracks, brittleness, or peeling areas that no longer seal tightly. Gaps or loose sections. Replace worn weather stripping promptly to prevent air leaks. This small, inexpensive task dramatically improves energy performance. Keep window tracks clean for smooth operation. Dust and debris love to settle in window tracks, especially in Dallas's dry and windy climate. Dirty tracks can make windows harder to open and allow gaps that impact insulation. Maintenance routine. Vacuum tracks every 1 to 2 months. Wipe with warm, soapy water and a soft brush. Dry thoroughly. Apply a silicone-based lubricant. Avoid oil-based sprays. Smooth, clean tracks ensure easy operation and tight seals. Check caulking and sealant around the window frame. Exterior caulking protects your window from moisture, pests, and outdoor air. Dallas heat can cause old caulking to shrink, crack, or separate from the frame. Inspect caulking twice a year for cracks or gaps, peeling or separation. Soft or crumbly texture. Reapply high-quality, exterior-grade caulking if needed. This helps maintain your window's insulating barrier and prevents costly water damage. Manage indoor humidity to reduce condensation. While humidity levels in Dallas vary, indoor moisture can still cause condensation on energy-efficient windows if ventilation is poor. Excess moisture can damage frames and reduce window performance. To minimize condensation, run exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms. Use a dehumidifier during humid months. Keep blinds slightly open to promote airflow. Ensure your HVAC system is properly sized and functioning. Low humidity levels help keep windows dry, protected, and clear. Protect your windows from Dallas sun exposure. Dallas sunlight is intense, and prolonged exposure can fade frames or cause thermal stress. Protect your windows by installing UV blocking films or window treatments. Using exterior shades or awnings on south-facing windows. Keeping interior blinds partially closed during peak sun. This helps prolong frame color, reduce heat gain, and support energy performance. Schedule annual professional inspections. Even with regular at-home maintenance, having a professional inspect your energy-efficient windows once a year ensures small issues are caught early. A technician can check insulated glass seals, frame integrity, locking mechanisms, caulking and weather stripping. Signs of aging or wear. Routine inspections extend the lifespan of your windows and protect your investment. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows offer Dallas homeowners exceptional comfort, reduced energy costs, and long-lasting performance. With simple, consistent maintenance, cleaning, sealing, track care, humidity control, and yearly inspections, you can ensure your windows continue performing like new for decades.